still cold outside, if anybody wanted to know. Exhaust sounds fantastic. We love it. But yeah, it's still quite brisk. Might need to put on a second jacket because I'm cold. Okay, that's all I gotta say. I put on my my summer gloves. Some would say I'm a fucking idiot. Because wow, granted I am also cruising at an alright pace, but yeah, it's cold. This will be a pretty chill ride, really. This don't got too much, and I'm in summer gloves, like an idiot. And in one jacket, there is nothing underneath this jacket. I'm in a jacket with no shirt on, no cold weather gear. I may need to get my brain checked, but whatever. That exhaust is an absolute beaut. Hopefully it sounds as good on the real life that it does on camera, for microphone, I guess, whatever, on video. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I might be changing these out here today. Putting some right here. Hopefully it actually works. It looked like these are really close. It looks like the new ones stick out, and the little piece that I gotta use like goes in between them. So if I drop the bike, this still protects it, or like the new piece still protects it, and then mine was like wedges right here, so I gotta figure that out. But other than that, it should work out. Oh wow, oh wow, seeing stuff like that, I hope with all of me that the camera caught it, because oh my, yes sir. I might have to put a camera down there. If this camera's not doing it justice, I'm gonna be pissed. Man, phantasmal. Oh, no feet down, no feet down, no feet down. I'm fantastic. I'll get good at it eventually. I was off. What is wrong with me? God. It's so much louder when my mask is up, so I swear if the mic doesn't do it justice, I'm gonna be pissed.